Hello, my dear friend, class 9. Now, today I am going to discuss about the second part of Autumn, lesson 3, written by John Clare. I hope you have completed the whole question answer of the last days and you realize what does the poet actually love in the autumn. John Clare autumn e ki bhalobashe. How does he attracted with the nature and also give us the suggestion that how we are attached with the nature. If we are not, it's never been possible to really attach in this art. So my dear students, now I will try to finish today the last two stanzas of this poetry. What does the poet actually love in this autumn? The past two stanzas provide us the real falling of the trees, leaves, and create an image. So how does an image creates a different picture? What picture? That's probably noted in this two stanza. Now, the third and fourth stanza will provide you another aspects, another character of the autumn. And you will be surprised to know that how it is really attractive to you also. I love to see the cottage smoke curl upwards through the naked trees. I love to see the cottage smoke. You know, in the season of autumn, the weather is not fully clear. Somehow, the smoke actually whirling and twirling like a snake and creates a different scenario in the sky. Curl upwards through the naked trees and open trees without leaves. Just think about it. In front of you, from the window, you are watching that the smoke are whirling and whirling towards the naked trees, without leaves. And what is the picture? You can see different kinds of scenario would be. Maybe it is a tree, it is a hill, sometimes it looks in village, sometimes it is the open sky. That smoke creates the different kinds of scenario which really attracts you towards the creation of the art. My dear student, you just try to realize this one. What is creation? What is the value of creativity? And it is only the way to give you the freedom in your mind. What never been possible through anything. So be careful about the nature. The pigeons nestled round the court on dull November days like these. The cock upon the dunghill crowing, the mill sails on the heath going, the feathers from the ravenous breast falls on the stably. The acorns near the old crow's nest fall pattering down the trees. The grunting pigs that waits for all scramble and hurry where they fall. The pigeons nestled around the court. So you know the pigeons. It is very common birds in our house. Pyra. It's make its nest. It is living around the court. Means it is nest. And actually stayed there with a perfect movement. On dull November days like these. So the common birds, pigeons, now takes its rest in his nest in the dull days of November. It is really dull because it's never been comfortable for anyone. The cock upon the dunghill crowing. The male sails on the heath going. The poet actually wants to discuss that in this time, when the weather was really, uncomfortable for others but comfortable for the different kinds of animals, what does the pigeons do? What does the cocks do on that time? Means you can be more charming, though the weather is not so good, but the pigeons nestle, the pigeons call, and the cocks call in the dunghill. You will feel a new natural activity in this art. Besides it, the male sails on the heath going. এই ন্যাচারাল অ্যাক্টিভিটির পাশাপাশি কারখানাগুলো চলছে ঠিক ওই সময়ই the mill sails on the heath. Going, the feather from the raven's breast falls on the stubble leaf. Or, besides this scenario, you will see the ravens, dadka. The feathers from the raven's breast falls on the stubble leaf. That is actually the lower part of the raven's breast, and wherefrom the feathers are actually falling down. And it looks a different picture. It looks a different appearance of the ravens. So one way the poet loved to see all these pigeons resting, the crowing of the cock from the dunghill, and the industry of the mills is now going on. Besides all the ravens, feathers are actually shows a different appearance with the stubble leaf of its feathers. Now the last stanza, you will watch a different scenario also. What is this? The acorns near the old crow's nest, all pattering down the trees. The acorns, it's a kind of small brown nuts of the oak tree's fruits. The oak tree's fruits are now falling from the trees and makes a different sound like the rains. Pattering sound, that is rain sound actually, British Shabdo. And for this the waiting, the grunting pigs. The grunting pigs are waiting for that, the falling of the acorns from the oak trees, because it is the special foods for them. And scrambles and hurry where they fall, means they are fighting to each other just to grab it. So my dear students, you can remember that all the natural things are waiting for normally for the next. And grunting pigs also fights each other, or it's fulfilling their own purpose. So the fourth stanza provide you the similarity. The fourth stanza give us a message that not only you, but also the whole animal world are waiting for this, for their food, for their purpose, for their health, everything. And everyone realize the truth that if you are not with the nature, you never will enjoy the nature. You never will enjoy the truth of the nature, truth of the earth. If you really with this, so my dear students, you will live happily in this earth. So love the nature like the poet John Clare, and be conscious about your surroundings. I hope it will give you a life lesson about the love to nature. Now এখানে কতগুলো কোশ্চেন আমাদের আসতে থাকে। What does the pigeons and cock do? How does the smoke covers the sky? What does the pigs do? How does the acorns are falling from the trees? What is the appearance of the rabbits? That's all. If you complete these 4 questions or 5 questions, I think, and write down the summary. Summary কিন্তু লিখতে হবে. If you write down the summary, I think you have no problems at all. Next, আজ আমার কবিতাটা শেষ হলো, and এই ওয়ার্ডগুলো দিয়ে তোমরা write down the sentence. তারপর দেখো এখানে এক্সারসাইজ দেখো, এগুলো সব ইজি আছে। অল থ্রু দ্য ডে দ্য ফেটফুল গাছ স্যাক্স দ্য, দেখো স্যাক্স কাকে স্যাক্স করেছে, দ্য কেসমেন্ট অল ডে। তাহলে এখানে কি আছে দেখো, উইন্ডো পেন, কার্টুন, কেসমেন্ট, ডোর, তাহলে কেসমেন্ট। দ্য পোয়েট লাভস টু সি দ্য স্যাকিং টুইগ ডান্স টিল দ্য end of afternoon, start of egg, end of night, coming at dawn. দেখো এখানে ইভিনিং আছে। By the window pane with thousands others down the lane, কতক্ষণ পর্যন্ত বলেছে, start of egg মানে ইভিনিং পর্যন্ত। তো this is start of egg. The sparrow sat on the cottage tree. Sparrow কোথায় বসে আছে দেখো, কটেজ ট্রি, একদম উড়ে ঘরের একদম চালাতে কটেজ ট্রি। The pigeons nestled round the court. The cock was crowing upon the dunghill. খুব ইজি, এগুলো খুব ইজি। The grunting pigs scramble and hurry, খুব ঝগড়াঝাটি করছে ওরা, to collect the acorns. এই দুটো কোশ্চেন তোমরা করার চেষ্টা করবে। আমি নেক্সট ডে এক্সারসাইজ 2, 3, 4 এবং এক্সারসাইজ 5 পর্যন্ত ডিসকাস করব। তার সঙ্গে তোমরা চেষ্টা করবে, দেখো এখানে একটা আছে প্রসেসিং, আমি প্রসেসিংয়ের একটা ক্লাস করেছি, তোমরা এই প্রসেসিংটা লিখবে, আমি নেক্সট ডে আলোচনা আবার করে দেবো। অ্যান্ড বায়োগ্রাফি, হাউ টু রাইট দ্য বায়োগ্রাফি, এটাও তোমাদেরকে কিন্তু লিখতে হবে ইন পাস্ট টেন্স, একটা হেডিং দিতে হবে। অ্যান্ড নেক্সট ডে আই উইল ডিসকাস দিস 2 writings clearly in next class. Wait for that. I hope you will follow the class properly. Thank you very much for watching this channel.